Hi everyone. In this lesson we're going to be learning the 2 times tables. This topic is part of the operations and multiplication area of maths and it's suitable for children who are 8 years and older. Okay, so let's get started. There are 2 ways of saying our multiplication tables. The first way is 5 multiplied by 2. So here we've got a 5 and another 5. So that's 5 multiplied by 2 and we can write 5x2 for that. The other way is saying 5 2's. So here's a 2, here's a 2, here's a 2, here's a 2 and here's a 2. There are 5 2's there. And we can write that with 5x2 also for 5 times 2. Okay, so here we go. We'll start with 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Or 1, 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Or 2 2's are 4. 3 times 2 is 6. Or 3 2's are 6. 4 times 2 is 8. We can also say 4 2's are 8. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Or 5 2's are 10. 6 times 2 is 12. Or 6 2's are 12. 7 times 2 is 14. Or 7 2's are 14. 8 times 2 is 16. Or 8 2's are 16. 9 times 2 is 18. Or 9 2's are 18. 10 times 2 is equal to 20. Or 10 2's are 20. 11 times 2 is 22. Or 11 2's are 22. And finally, 12 times 2 is equal to 24. Or 12 2's are equal to 24. Great work! You've learned how to do your 2 times tables. Now let's say them through. You can repeat after me to help you to learn them. 1 2 is 2. 2 2's are 4. 3 2's are 6. 4 2's are 8. 5 2's are 10. 6 2's are 12. 7 2's are 14. 8 2's are 16. 9 2's are 18. 10 2's are 20. 11 2's are 22. And 12 2's are 24. Well done! Great job! You've successfully completed your 2 times tables. Keep up the great work and see you soon! Thank you for watching. Please click like, subscribe and click the notification bell.